Sir, I have a couple of questions for you. My first question, could you please share your experience about this session?
Experience is good, no doubt. Got a lot of insights on the ACCA course because I come from CA background, so I didn't have much knowledge about this. But today, I can say that I am more informed as far as this ACCA course is concerned.
Right. And sir, would you like to share, important tips and tricks which we can share probably with our student or upcoming finance leaders?
I think awareness can be created, as I noticed people were asking questions, they have so many doubts in their mind. So more and more sessions should be conducted where we should ask them to, ask their questions, and we guys can answer that so that the doubts can clarify. And the way I have understood so far, ACCA has tremendous hope in India. It's not that it is restricted, globally. In India also, it has good amount of chances for the students.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you for your kind words. Thank you.